In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Printify Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your store's look using themes and colors, and confidently publish the changes so your storefront reflects your brand. Start by logging into your Printify account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll find everything related to your products and storefront. From here, click on My Stores. You'll see a list of any stores connected to your account. Select the store you want to customize, making sure you're choosing the correct one if you manage more than one. With your store selected, click Store Settings. This takes you into the configuration area for that specific store. Look for the option labeled Customize Store and click it. This opens the store builder, where you'll make all your visual adjustments. Give it a moment to load. Once it opens, you'll see a clean workspace designed to help you shape your storefront's appearance. Inside the store builder, open the Themes section. This is where you decide the overall style of your store. If you want a quick, polished result, choose a pre-made theme. These are professionally designed layouts that balance spacing, typography, and visual hierarchy, so your products look great right away. If you prefer more flexibility, select Custom Theme. This option gives you greater control over the look and feel, which is helpful if you have a specific brand aesthetic in mind. Next, set your colors. You can use the built-in color picker to explore shades visually, or enter a hex code if you already have brand colors defined. Think about contrast and readability as you choose. Your text should remain easy to read against backgrounds, and buttons should stand out clearly. Align your primary color with your brand's signature hue, then use a neutral or complementary color for backgrounds and accents. As you adjust your colors, you'll see the changes reflected in the builder, which helps you fine-tune the palette before making it live. When you're happy with the theme and colors, click Publish. This applies your design changes to the live store so customers will see the updated look. If something doesn't feel quite right after publishing, don't worry. You can return to the store builder at any time, tweak your theme or colors, and publish again. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your store, opened the store builder, selected a theme, set your colors, and published your changes. Your Printify store now presents a cohesive, professional brand experience.